Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Odoo CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you manually add one contact into your Odoo CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to manually add one contact into your Odoo CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you meet people organically and you want to add them into your CRM to track. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Odoo CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Odoo CRM and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to manually add one contact into your Odoo CRM, you're going to click on the contacts button. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see all the contacts you have in your Odoo CRM. However, to manually add just one contact, you're going to click on this purple new button here on the top left. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and create a new contact. So first you want to choose, is it an individual or a company? For me, I'm going to add an individual. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click in and add their name. Okay, next, if they have a company name, you can go ahead and add that here. And you can go ahead and start completing all of this information. So you can go ahead and enter in their address, 123 Main Street, Los Angeles. Okay, you can enter their email, phone number, job position. So a lot of this is just optional, but I definitely try to recommend that you fill it out completely because there might be a point in your relationship with this particular contact where you forget some bit of information. And if you can reference back in your CRM, that's the whole point of a CRM. So once you've entered in all the information that you want, you can go ahead and click here, internal notes, and then you can add any kind of notes that might be helpful in the future, likes pizza with no sauce. Okay. And then we're going to go back here and we're going to click here, add contact. Okay, next it's going to go ahead and verify the information. Click on save and close. Okay, now this contact has been saved, so we can go back here to our contacts right here. And a quick second later, here is our new contact that we manually entered into our Odoo CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to manually add one contact into your Odoo CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.